Yo. What's going on, everyone? Stock stocks. Stock some stacks. I was not able to get my this pack I wanted, but you know, got some good stuff. Good stuff going on. Got some options flow. Today was a pretty bearish. Any day you see more put flow coming in, it's typically a pretty bad day. Let me tell you that. DraftKings getting quite a bit of stuff coming in there. But overall, got AMC looking good on the after hours. If Kyle's not here, I'm out. Tag him in the Discord. Tell him to get on. We didn't go suit shopping today. We're supposed to go in tomorrow. I'm telling you right now, though, man, the Nasdaq looks rough. Nasdaq looks brutal. Tomorrow I'm gonna be taking some losses across the board, most likely. I see no reason for yields to keep dropping or keep rising. I'm sorry. Actually, they are somewhat dropping now. You see Dixie's killing us. If Dixie drops, which it should, in theory it should. I think this is insane. The pop we're getting. I think there's tons of room to come down. This looks like it's gonna break down. I think Nasdaq has room to go up. Yields look bad. But anything could happen. Anything could happen. This could continue just to do stupid stuff like it's doing. So, you know, we got to play it like that. But overall, any questions? Did you hear about Bruce OnlyFans? It's only Gramps. Gosh. I've started something so bad here in the channel. What's going on, Dalt Desta? Welcome, everyone. Thanks for a good trading content. Kyle G. No problem. I just logged on from within my rocket ship. Good evening, boys. Top Shots took a dump today, stock market. Top Shots, yeah, I think it's for 11 a.m. now for me. 9 a.m. PST. What's up, Killer? Susan, welcome. I love to get my female subscribers. I'm happy I have a few of them. Typically don't do too well with the females on the YouTube. Honestly, I mean, this looks great. Like, we're getting a pop above. If we open up above VWAP, I mean, we look good. I would love to open up above 1450. Tyler, do you ever rock that long straddle strategy? I do not, to be honest. I do not. Dang bull trap today. On what? On what? On this? On AMC? What are you talking about? Okay, so whenever you say a statement, make sure you just follow it up with a stock, because the chat, like, you're gonna get lost in the sauce. Let's look at Express. See a lot of people talking about these boys. Sorry, no video today. Kind of was a really lazy day for me after the markets and stuff. It's kind of a nice day though. Wasn't really watching anything. No real updates. I still feel confident. It's a good day. It was a good day, you know, all things considered. Strong close on AMC. Any options for tomorrow, PT? Price target? Any options for tomorrow? What are you talking about? I have nothing for this week closing. Tyler, what have I missed? AMC, chat, James. Love the picture. I just started, so you didn't miss anything. Played basketball for the first time in weeks, and let me tell you something. I thought I was in good shape. I'm not. Now the market Nasdaq. What are you talking about? Silverback nut guardians. Jeez. So honestly, what I'm looking at tomorrow, I mean, the Nasdaq is, I mean, it looks pretty bottomed. I hope this is bottom. I hope we can stagnate, hold down this local range down here, right? You know, we're seeing that. I can extend this out. Okay, we're holding this range. I would love for us to hold this range. If we can bottom here, it look good. Now, AMC, I think AMC is going to do well tomorrow. Either way, it looks very strong going into tomorrow. But what I'm talking about is for other stocks and day trading stocks. Now, if we come over to the end of the day, we can see some of the flow, what we had going. Let's look at the some of the stuff going. Let's go to overview. Woo! Tired. Pooped. Man, Apple calls came in hot. Look at those. A lot of Apple puts though as well. Just little, you know, straddles. But overall, I mean, look at all the flow coming in. You got some UVXY calls for a potential dump. Lots of AMC calls. And then when AMC makes up into the 2 mils, that's a good day for AMC if you don't know that. Silver as well. A lot of IWMs came in near the end of the day as well. It's surprising. It's surprising. Very surprising. But IWM is what people are playing to hedge their accounts right now, is what it looks like. Can you see Palantir, please? It looks like it's going to $19. I've been saying there's a possibility Palantir does dip down to like 18, give or take. I still love these guys long term. One of my favorites. You know, they're one of my favorites. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, brutal. That 27.5 touch. Oh yeah, man, that looks bad. Wow. That's probably my target right there. 18.5 is what I'm looking. Price prediction for tomorrow. I think we'll hit 16. It all depends on open. It all depends on the open. You know, that's why I said today. It's like if we can get above 14.5, we hit 14.5 for the first time finally. But it just got stopped. It got put the brakes on it, right? Came back down. We closed the gap though. That was good, and we're bouncing right back up in the end of the day. If we can get above 14.5 and hold, I think we push to 16, 16.5. I think we could push to 17, to be honest. Bro, how do you get massive drumstick calves? I'm tired of these getaway sticks. You're telling me, brother. I don't know how to get those massive calves. I do legs every single day. I run miles. I row. I ski. I do it all. But I can never get the calves going. I bike. Still holding high tide? Of course I'm holding high tide. This is the only stock in the sector I'm playing. See these hands? Or diamonds. I should have been a surgeon. I should have been a surgeon. They don't even move, okay? I should have been a surgeon. Can we still see a big upside if we close above 16 for next? Okay, either way, however we close this week, if we close at 14, close at 16, close at 15, we look so strong. You know what I mean? This is incredibly strong. I put in too much on Sundial. Yeah, that was probably pretty risky. I've been telling people. That's why I didn't get back in after we got rejected at 17. That's why I didn't touch. Like, we can go look at Sundial. Where are you at, Sunny Dai? Where are you at, Sundial? There we go. 146. Woo! Big resistance. Potential triple bottom there. Trying to hold. Let's look at the flow. Can we get flow in here? Few options came in today. Let's look for the whole week. Sweeps. A lot of sweeps. Let's look for the whole week. 93% to 7%. That's a pretty good. A lot of these going to 2023. What's up with that? That has to be the same guy. Look at expiry. Got some end of the week calls. You know, that's pretty risky business if you ask me. These are juicy. I like these for next week. Those are pretty nice. Safest ones are probably these 0716s. Those are nice. Those are really nice. Could do well. What do you think about CrowdStrike? Good question. CrowdStrike. Phenomenal earnings. Phenomenal. You know, I've been playing phenomenal earning stocks. That's what I've been playing. But on the downside, the market's been poo-poo. So when the market's poo-poo, even if you have amazing earnings, even if your financials are great, you're going to do bad as well. You know, it's the way the market works. So you hate to see it, but, you know, we have some downside definitely here in the works. So we want to see the bottom forming here. We want to see this forming. We got yields. They are coming down. They look pretty terrible. They look bearish. DXY is not doing us any favors. We did have a little bit of a breakout. If the DXY can start dumping, we need a hard dump, okay, guys? We need this thing to dump into oblivion, okay? I like CrowdStrike, though. I do like it. Yo, Tyler, how's it going, brother? Hope you're ready for tomorrow. Of course I'm ready. I might even break out the tie, the long sleeve shirt, the button down. I might break it out. Tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. I own a PS5. Been in this for nearly 2 months. Barely soda tonight. Barley soda. What do you think about that? Do you ever pick a silver stock? I have not picked one yet. Should we expect higher volatility with quadruple witching day tomorrow? 110,000 million %. Things could get crazy tomorrow. When are we gonna get a father-son live stream? The ladies love it. I don't even know what that means. Oh, with my son. My son. I thought you meant my dad. I was like, what does that mean? He's with his mom for this spring break. Tyler, thoughts on FedEx? Did they have earnings? I thought they had earnings. Oh, that piano solo. Y'all hear that piano elevator solo? Woo! Gets me going right there. FedEx. Let's zoom out. We gotta get a bigger look here. Get a bigger look. Trending up. This is good. I like this chart. Okay, so what I'm looking at. What am I looking at here? Let's see. Let's talk. Boom. So we had a retest of the support. Boom. That's nice. We did get rejected here. So we got rejected. This is what you love to see, right? This is pretty good price action, to be honest. So we had that break up. We came back down, retest, and now we're trending up. So we want to see a break and a retest and some more upside. this is where I would look for some potential entries. Now the question is can the market start perking up? Like, this is the question on everything, right? Can the market perk up? If you want to get some confirmation is, does anything do well when the market's doing bad? Well, let's look. If you look on this far right over here, you can see nothing does really well when the market's getting wrecked. You get your random stocks doing well, but overall, nothing typically does well. T-Dub, FPV, sup Tyler? I'm Tyler. Welcome, Tyler. I play piano. Which day will be crazier, tomorrow or Monday? I think they're both going to be crazy. I think they're both going to be really crazy. I think Monday's going to be interesting, though. I was talking to Kyle, actually, at the gym just now, and I was saying if we fly tomorrow, I won't even sell. I think I'll hold till Monday. I'm also Tyler. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too many Tylers. T's in the chat, baby. T's in the chat. That's crazy that Fidelity had the $900 price prediction with the September, and they got 500K shares for $13 recently. I'm telling you, I'm still very bullish on AMC. Like, I know I didn't make an update video today. Kind of feel like I'm just like repeating the same stuff. So I thought it might take a day off. Maybe that's good for the channel. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not the one that's just gonna post. I mean, I make decent money from YouTube. You know, I make okay money. It's okay. It's livable. I'm not rolling in the big dough or anything. But like, you know, I decided to take the day off from some videos. Meet Kevin has a video about witching day historical outcomes, mostly a nothing burger. Sounds about right, Susan. I hate producing those nothing burgers, right? So there's just nothing really to talk about. Like, it was a flat day. Still looks bullish. It's flagging, gapping up. High possibility we start flying tomorrow, in my opinion. Now, what am I looking for tomorrow, though? I want to see this, the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index. That's what this is, the US dollar currency index. I want to see this start going down, 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 like Blink-182 says, right? And then I want to see the yields go down, 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 like Blink-182 says, right? And then I want to see the 30-year yields go down, 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 like Blink-182 says, right? Blink-182 is going to be key for tomorrow. What are you looking at for SPY tomorrow? Well, I'm praying to God that the Brits bring the Nasdaq up. Dear God, please buy some of the stock, please. Dow looks fairly good. SPX, and we'll look at SPY. You want to look at that? I mean, support. We have a support here for sure. There's a support there, but it could drop deeper. Totally random, but I'm here. I'm heavily invested in AMC as well. UAV. I like UAVS. Random, I know. Quick thoughts on the BS stock. I don't think UAVS is a BS stock. I like that they're American. I do like that. Made in America, better in America, build American. That's how we roll in this country. Texas forever. So we like that with UAVS. They're drone. They do have a product that works. It's kind of depressing that it's in agriculture. That's a little bit depressing. But the main area that we're watching, right, is you want to see a break above this area. It's very hard for us to get above this area. You've seen. And then the next struggle is going to be, you know, we have a very similar area that we're going to be trying to get above right here. Is can we get above it? And that's going to be the hard part. But once we get above like 980, I mean, we're going to be free running. You know what I mean? Nike free running, baby. It's going to be good. Thoughts on NMDM? I like Nano Dimension. I have some. I bought some at 13, sorry. But the problem is they do more direct offerings than, you know, than they do in any other news in the stock. It's always direct offerings. I'm like, what is wrong with you guys? How much more money do you need? You know? Me, Kevin, is a salesman, but he's good at what he does. That was like like an insult and a compliment. I like it. Think about Norwegian cruise. I think cruise lines are very overbought. I think they're very. I mean, well, now they're kind of getting true to their value. I think this has room to come down at least 26.7. I might short it. We'll see. We'll see. I might do puts on it. I don't think the market will react to this China summit going on right now. Initial report on CBC that it was not a good meeting. Yeah, Joe Biden said the Chinese aren't going to like what we're going to say, so I did not think it was going to be good. Sweet, I do have confidence in UAVs the long-term. Thanks, bro. Wait till UAVs drones are working on these U.S. industrial pot farms. Da-da-da-da. Pot drones. So, yeah. Okay, let me look at some of these other questions. Sorry, I'm not skipping anyone, okay? I'm trying to look. I'm a little bit out of it right now. Sold my AMC for FedEx in after hours. Don't hurt me. Gail, Patrick. No, you're joking, right? Prepare to get butchered. I'm sorry, buddy. Top volatility stock for options. If you want to look at top volatility stocks, I mean, this is actually a great tool for you. Cheddar Flow. I have a referral link, but I don't know where it is, so I'm not gonna post it. But this will show you some of the most volatile stocks and stuff like that. And actually, there's a really cool setting. So you can go to historical flow, and you can use filters, and then you can go to the. This is really cool. Where's the IV? There's one. Okay, IV greater than 50%, so you can, implied volatility is very high. That's really cool. This is cool. But what I like to do personally is I like to go into IV lower than 10% or greater than 10% for this lower numbers, right? That's what I like. Because when the IV is very low, if you catch it at the right time before the influx, you can make a lot of money if you catch that move. Because a lot of them, when times when their IV is really low, it's because they're consolidating. And you know your boy loves consolidation. I feel about Sundial. I like it, but I got out of it once we hit 1.7. 1.7 was target numero uno. I don't think Tyler likes therapeutics. It's not that I don't like them. It's that they don't respect technicals a lot. And you have to read a lot on the fundamentals. And so, you know, I'm an ape, you know. I'm not very good at reading. So reading, and it doesn't respect my charts. Ooga, booga, booga, right? Tyler, do you have any calls right now on exam? I do not have any oil calls. I've been waiting for oil to start getting a recovery. And then also, if you look at the XLE, it's not really getting anything. It's not getting too much. See, look at this flow today. A lot of put volume. Kind of the story for the whole week, I think. Yeah, the whole week has been very bearish. So I think it'll start recovering fairly soon. But I don't think it's going to recover right now. Just my thoughts. Call me a bear. I don't know. Thoughts on FRX. Justin, hey, FRX is interesting. I am a fan of FRX. I am becoming a fan. Long term, I think those guys will perform well. I think that they're very cheap. They're kind of getting to that basement SPAC price of $10. Yeah, they are. I would not be surprised if these guys blow up to $14, $13 again overnight. They're very hyped about. And I think social media will start blowing these guys up very soon. So I'll probably make a video on them. If they hit $10, it's an easy money buy for me. 10, 10.50. Worst case scenario for AMC. I mean, COVID breakout again. That's probably the worst. That's the worst case scenario for AMC. My thoughts are Pepsi, man. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. What do you think about ENTX? I don't know. Sorry. One sec. AMC, isn't that what we clicked for? AMC. AMC looks really good. So let's do a little bit of TA. So one, we bear flagged and we broke out of it and we came up. Bullish, right? That's bullish numero uno capuso. So that's really, really good, right? Idea number two, right? Right. Look at that. Beautiful. Tippy tip. Tippy tip. Look at that. Beautiful. Wicking. We're breaking out. I think on the after hours we're about right here. Right above VWAP. Looking pretty good. We're right there at that red line. Give or take a little bit above. Bullish numero uno. We're breaking out of the bull flag. Now, how does this volume carry over? How do we wake up and move? I don't even wake up at 4 to check after hours. It's pointless because we just come down or something like depressing. So keep that on your radar. But what you should be watching is DXY. The yields. If these come down, we're looking pretty. We're sitting pretty. But because we need all the help we can get. The Nasdaq will help us. What about Polygon? Get out of here, Simon. Get out of here. China meeting bad. It was so-so. I think the worst best case is trading for $20, $30 this time next year. If you bought below 15, you're doubling your money. Well, the name of the channel is Option Drops. So we bought options. So we're not... If it takes a year, it's not looking hot for us. Upstart probably gonna go down, probably. Texas Pete hot sauce, cheap and superior among hot sauce. Yucky. Not a fan. Thoughts on Express? It do go up. Express yourself. Great call option volume yesterday. It had really good volume yesterday. Really good. Like a lot of these were from yesterday, yeah. But the hype might be over. We definitely came up very high. I'm curious to see what we do tomorrow. How are we moving the after hours? I'd be careful. I think we got that run. It's up a little bit. It wants to continue going. How's that volume? Lots of volume day. Woo. Good volume day. I'd be careful there. And that's why I don't trade options, Jack. We got massive cojones. We have massive cojones on this channel, okay? They drag on the floor. All we say is quiero beber su leche. That's what we say 24/7. Just hoping Daddy Tyler, he's so busy. Bust it. Hey Tyler, I have $10 call options I bought 2 weeks ago. Should I sell them tomorrow or let them expire in the money? Personally, I never let call options expire. I think you're more profitable to take them, but you can do whatever you want. It's up to you. I'm blazing Samoa. Great hybrid strain tomorrow. Tyler's dirt and autistic. What's your go-to choice of sauce? It depends. So like if I'm eating eggs, it's like eggs. It's obviously the Cholula. Like Cholula is my egg hot sauce. Like if I'm eating like eggs in the morning with like, you know, bacon and all that, it's Cholula, 100%. But if I'm like a taco, it's not Cholula. I like a green like a green hot sauce, because typically here in Texas we have like this green hot sauce. That's typically pretty traditional Hispanic hot sauce, and it's usually will catch your mouth on fire, but it's good tacos. So it just depends. Most based Baloke. I'm a based Baloke. Thank you. Yo, Tyler, Fizz is heavily shorted. Is it worth getting into? Fizzy Fizz. What company is that? National Beverage Corp. What do they own? These shorts are dangerous. They're very dangerous. They're ooh la la. Tyler Likey. Earnings report. Mucho gusto, papi. Let me start speaking Spanish on the channel. Get my Rosetta Stone out. Beat on revenue? Okay, daddy. What? Beat on EPS. I like him, guys. I like Fizzy Fizz. This is good. And only, you know why it dumped? Wait, why did it dump? Why did it dump? What day was this? I don't see a date. When's the date? Wait. What? These earnings seem off. March 11th. That's weird. Third quarter. It should be fourth quarter. Doesn't make sense. Anyways, I like these guys. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. My girl just came over and she brought me some more bananas for tomorrow. Tell her I said good girl. And give her a good pet. Yeah, I speak a little Spanish. I can't understand it, but it's sexy. Lee Marie. Yeah, I heard females like it. We have a lot of Hispanic people here in Houston, so if you're not Hispanics, it might not be your town. Buy Schweed stocks if you want to make money in years when it's legalized federally. Otherwise, technology sector. You know that thing that isn't advertised as clickbait? All right, you ready to get roasted? I'm a cat. You ready to get roasted? Ready to get roasted? You can see his hands. I'm pulling up the sleeves because you're about to get roasted, buddy. I'm coming for you. I'm not like these other streamers. I don't let you just spout nonsense in the channel. I'm not like these other streamers. Okay, so let me defile your little weed statement, okay? So weed here in America is going to be even worse than in Canada. Let's really be real about this. It might have a little peak or, you know, skyrocket for a little bit, but if you look at the financials and the taxes and how difficult it is to profit on it, there's a reason why the best weed companies don't even do the wholesaling of weed. That's the number one reason. Look at the financials. How many of these weed companies are profitable? How many of them are net positive? How many of them are having positive earnings quarter after quarter? Very, very little. It's one of the most difficult industries to survive in because it's so heavily built on competition. There's so many companies. So many. It's going to be very, very difficult. Even if it gets legalized, the taxes kill you. They kill you. When I'm sipping a Diet Coke, how do you think I keep these curves? What are you talking about? I'm telling you, I think that it's a very dangerous. I'm just joking. I'm not gonna roast you. I love you. I'm just playing. I'm in a good mood tonight, though. I'm in a good mood. Why are the tech ones taking a beating? Well, the whole stock market's taking a beating. Tech's taking the biggest beating because yields, guys. Oh baby, golf claps in the chat. This is what we need. Golf claps in the chat. Golf claps in the chat. There we go. This is what we need, baby. All night long. I want you to wake up at every hour on the hour. Did I get a PO box yet? No, I'm scared to get a PO. I don't want one. I'm just joking. It is a dangerous game. It's a hard one to succeed in. But yeah, I'm just in a really good mood right now, actually. What you need to be looking at, though, we need to be, everyone, DXY, you're going to hear me say this over and over. I don't care what else happens. AMC, I'm rooting for it right now, but we need the DXY, we need the US $10 yield, we need the US 30 yield. We need them to dump into oblivion, boys. We need these to get wrecked. We need God to come out. We need Jesus to come out with his gloves on and give them a little 1-2 uppercut, Rocky 4 knockout punch, okay? That's what we need, okay? We need these yields out of the market. Captain America Jerome Powell did nothing for us today, okay? He helped us 0% though. AMC, only thing looking green in the portfolio. Honestly, not a good sign when AMC is the only good thing in my portfolio. Because let me just tell you, it does not make up over 10% of all my money. That is scary. Why are bond yields going down good? Because yields going down equals the economy going buenos nachos. And we want the dollar value to go down. The dollar value going down is mucho gusto trabajar for the market. Ernest Lopez, honestly, I don't mean this in a mean way. I don't want anything from you. I don't know what you're going to send me, but let me just say something. I don't trust anything you guys are sending me. You have a strong jaw for a boxing, I can tell. Thank you. Bonds are being shorted by puts. I kind of want to be honest. I want to short those. Then again, I'm pretty much betting against them already. Please, Nasdaq. If the Nasdaq starts going up, I'll start screaming. I'll go crazy. I'll go sicko mode, baby. It's already 10:20. Man. Tyler, TR is another stock of being heavily... So, I'm not under the... I don't like going out after stocks that are being heavily shorted. I think it's a bad and dangerous area to get into. Personally. But let's look at highshortinterest.com. So let's just see what's going on. I don't think this has been updated in a minute. Yeah, it hasn't been updated. Like all these stocks I think have ran. It's kind of funny. Yeah, TR, Tootsie Roll. I'm not buying Tootsie Roll. Are you kidding me? You kidding me? I just came here to hear a Tinder story, good night story. I'm banned, bro. I don't have any. I wish I had more. I could probably get some fire going. You want to create me an account? Create me an account. I think I just have to make a new Apple account. But then all my apps are gonna be desynced. You know the pain that caused to remake all my passwords. It's like that scene off the Hangover whenever who's the fat one? Zach Galifianakis. Who's his character's name? I don't know. Anyways, and he's talking to Stu. It's Doug? No, it's not Doug. He's talking to Stu, and he's like, yeah, could you imagine if I lost my phone? I have over 75 apps integrated to my phone. I had to re-download all of them. That's how I feel. What do you think about Rolls Royce? I think it's a Dane. I mean, why? You know why? Why? I don't get it. I don't know why everyone's so hyped up about these guys. I mean, they're cheap, I guess. Why, though? Oh, turn that Christmas music. They had good earnings. Wow, phenomenal earnings. Holy crap. I might let the Christmas music go now. I'm in such a good mood. I'm kind of feeling some Christmas music. Yeah, the earnings are phenomenal. I can't justify buying them. Went to work today. Left work. Checked my phone and see red everywhere. Jorge Romero. I'm sorry, buddy. Well, I stayed at work all day and I just stared at a monitor and my eyes were just hurting all day. Tyler's making an OnlyFans account tomorrow. Not true. Go on Bumble, tell Bumble stories since Bumble sucks. And everyone thinks my account's fake on Bumble. Let me tell you what my account says. It's actually a pretty good bio. Let me read. This is actually kind of gold. I get some negative feedback. My job, YouTube. I'm telling. Okay, putting YouTube in your bio. I'm kind of for it, even if you don't do YouTube for a living. But they will ask what your channel name is, and judge you. But I kind of didn't even show people for a long time. So YouTube works, hands down. That's like the easiest way. That was the secret sauce to any of these apps. About me: procrastination, conceited, semi-attractive, and those are just my strengths. And then my pros, the cons slightly outweigh the pros. That's it. Worked for a while. Jordan Belfort. Oh yeah, I saw he's in front of an AMC. He's like, Jerome Powell, baby. We need that money strut, baby, in the morning. We need that money strut. I get that high yield kill the market, but why? What are you gonna buy for tomorrow's dip? I'm probably not buying a thing. I don't even know. Oh. Let's go, Nasdaq. I don't even care if you only bounce 4 points. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna be foaming out of the mouth tomorrow. And I swear, if we start running, if the Nasdaq starts bouncing and I get my gap calls and my 5, I bought a few 5 calls. Dude, they did so good on earnings. They did phenomenal. They did phenomenal earnings. I think like one of their people stepped down, but they did phenomenal. Retail's doing so good right now. And then they come out and the yields just do good for no reason. Powell came on and said they're not raising interest rates. He said we're waiting a whole year. But the market say, oh, dude, the rates should go up. What is going on? It doesn't even make sense. It doesn't even make... That Coke woke you up. No, I don't, dude. I was just at the gym. I'm telling you, I haven't been going to the gym in a few days. I'm pretty sluggish trying to go to the gym, but... What are your call option expiration dates for AMC? If you watch any of my videos, you know I post them on every single one. Where's my last one? It says Chicago. Kyle, wear the suit. He goes, what is that? Where is it at? I kind of don't want you guys to see my messages. Can you see these? Oh, it's way too small. April 1st. I have 26 of them. Too many. Have you checked out Jushi or Lumen lately? No, I haven't. I heard about Lumen. What is Lumen? Sounds familiar. Lumen Technologies. Ooh. Meh. Powell trapped all the bulls. My dude, my GME and my AMC are fighting each other. Every day I make gains on one and exact opposite on the other. Scott Cutler, this is what you need to do, okay? This is what you need to do. Everyone in the chat. This is what you need to do. You listening? I'm gonna treat you. I'm gonna give you the Uncle Bruce treatment. Come here. The $400 first. Put it in the bank account. $400. Send it to me right now. Come here. You listening? Look. I don't buy any stocks. I don't buy any stocks. This is what I'm gonna tell you to do. AMC, terrible company. It's going nowhere. GameStop, they got the guy from Chewy. Think about it. People love dogs. Therefore, GameStop going up. Think about it. I'm just joking. In all reality, I think GameStop looks really good. I think GameStop's chart looks phenomenal. This right here looks absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible right here. This action. We're getting very extended on the downside. The volume's flowing out in GameStop though. But if you look... What kind of headphones am I wearing, Uncle Bruce? Go to drop.com. So they're Sennheisers, but instead of being steel, they're made with aluminum. So they're cheaper, but they're really, really nice. Like, you guys can probably still hear my music a little bit, and the volume, I have it on my mixer and it's so low. They're these. They're really cheap though. They're nice. They're phenomenal headphones. I recommend them to anybody. Right here. They're right here. They were cheaper. I got them for like $140. But yeah, you're welcome. So GME. Let's talk about GameStop. This is for you, Cutler. So you know, I'm doing this just for you. Lots of call options, lots of flow. Look at these big boys right here. Tell me something. Ever seen what's the movie with Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper? I don't know. It's the singing movie. I was going somewhere with that. That was a good joke, but now I butchered it, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, lots. This is the volume. 300K, 375K. This is about a milli. Hey, as the baby said, how much you put it about in a milli? Hey, about a milli. So anyways, so this looks really good. The volume, the call flow does look good as we're getting closer to the end of the week. I do like it. Look at that big boy right there. She's thicker than a bowl of oatmeal, if you ask me. So the bullish flow does look in GameStop's favor. You want to see us get above the VWAP though. You want to see the momentum because we're stagnating here for sure. I think tomorrow's a big day. I think tomorrow's a big day. Big day. Stars born. James Winter. I don't know out of everyone here why you're the one that knew that. No idea. It was a good movie. I'm not gonna lie. I was like this close to crying. And then I looked between my legs and I was like, oh, my nuts are there. Wow. Thought they might have went missing for a second. But yeah, so, and by the way, guys, if you don't like toxic masculinity, you might want to leave the channel. I'm just joking. I'm not toxic masculinity. I have women's rights all the way. The new HD 8XX for 1000 on Mass Drop. Yeah, it's not Mass Drop anymore. I think it's just Drop now. It used to be. Oh, you're an OG. But yeah, so AMC looks really good, but I think I'm telling you right now, if we're talking just quad witching, I think GameStop. Good love, Scott Cutler. Mad love, Scotty. Great picture too, by the way. Great picture. Looking a little cute. No homo. I'm very confident in my sexuality, so I can give compliments like that. Do you have Sawgrass Steakhouse in Houston? Do we have Sawgrass Steakhouse in Houston? We have every steak. It's Texas. We like invented steaks. I'm not gonna lie though, I didn't think Lady Gaga was ever attractive until I watched that movie. I'm just gonna say that. But I'm telling you, I'm going back to where I was going with this because I can't even read the chats right now because I'm gonna lose my train of thought. I'm like mind hacking right now. There's stimuli popping everywhere right now, firing on all cylinders. Anyways, if we're talking pure quad witching, I think GameStop has more volatility and more hedge fund movement in it than AMC. You heard it here first. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. Number one, you can't replace me. But I'm telling you, I got rhymes as well. GameStop has more hedge fund volatility, in my opinion. Look, guys, I haven't even looked at this. I could have made a video over this. I could have made a video over this alone. Look at the OBV. Guys, how often do we see this right here? The consolidation sideways on the OBV. Guys, there's a possibility we come down. There's a possibility. There's always a possibility. But I'm telling you, that right there, that's what we call a Buenos Nachos right there. That's a Buenos Nachos, boys. That's a Buenos Nachos. AMC's already up there. AMC's already broke the tippity top. That's already one Buenos Nachos on us. That one Buenos Nachos trabajaros, okay? Muy caliente es fuegos, okay? That's already going for us. And GME's just going already. I'm telling GME, guys, let's take another quick look. Consolidate. I'm pulling the sleeves up. Haven't shaved in like, 4 weeks. I'm really growing. I'm joking. It took like 3 days, but the GOAT, I agree. And I'm gonna wait to fist bump until my boy comes up on the screen. But I'm telling you, I love it. I love what's happening right now. I love what's going on right now. Guys, you hear me talk about consolidation. That's what we got into AMC the first place. It was consolidation that got us there. Goat, your thing didn't come up. What? Oh, there it is. Oh. Good stuff. Good stuff. GME for that sour cream. I'm telling you, I just went to the gym. I feel great. So I went to the gym. I've been super sluggish. Buenos nachos. Gotta be guacamole dip because it's in the green. Dude, this right here, baby, that's a squirter, as Kyle would say. Man, it's looking good. Oh, and then look at the Nasdaq, up another 9 points. Hey, it's something. It's something right now. The Nasdaq is doing so. I might not be able to. Hey, the Nasdaq keeps this up. I don't know if we can get off live. Honestly, look at, you got the indexes. Go turn red. Turn red. Don't even play with us. We're not playing this game tonight. Just turn red. Go to the ground. You're gonna get buried. Look at this. Here we go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. This is what we need. Just so you know, everyone. If you're checking tonight, you're like, hey, we want to see the market's gonna be doing good tomorrow. Don't even look at the Nasdaq. Don't even look at it. We're gonna jinx it. What I want you to do is to just look at the yields. I want you to get a hammer, place it next to your bed, and I want you to just be bringing that energy because we need to hammer these bad boys to the ground, put them in the coffin. Okay, listen to me. The yield, the 10-year yield, the 30-year yield, the DXY, they need to all go 6 feet deep in the ground. Okay, I'm talking monthly levels. We'll touch the moon. We'll go soaring. Everything. Okay? These yields need to go get crushed tomorrow. They're way too high. They're way too high. His girlfriend's gone. I don't know what you said right there. Short the bond market. Crack kills. Yikes. All-nighter. You won't. I probably won't. The goat is throwing money at me. I don't know why it's coming in so slow, though. I don't know why. I'll probably stream for a little bit because I didn't make a video today. AMC once in a lifetime experience. Not an opportunity. It's an experience. F in the yield. Can I grab an F? Is there an F? There's no F. Yielded 20 cents. Drive fast, eat fast, all the way to the mean. From Friendswood, AMC's high tomorrow. Real 302032. You're from Friendswood? You're strangely too close to where I live. Austin Michael. Everyone's trying to. Hey, guys. There's room. There's room on the boat. Okay, calm down. You don't need to be donating. Okay, I appreciate it though. Oh God, the cough. Crap hurt. Turn around, Nasdaq. Stop. What are you doing? Stop. Come on. Relax. Come on. Please, Lord. Sweet Lord, baby Jesus. When are we going to squeeze on AMC? Shyam Ross. First of all, beautiful name. Shyam Ross. It's a beautiful name. Shyam Ross. I love the name. 2. I have no earthly idea. I mean, I spent like all this money on college and, you know, getting a degree, and they never taught me how to spot the short squeeze. Just so you know. Thoughts on Neo's biotech? You all know I love biotech. I'm gonna change my name to I hate biotech. I don't like it. It went up and it went straight back down. I'm telling you, someone had a hammer next to their bed when they were trading this bad boy. Because let me tell you something, that thing got hammered to the ground. Once AMC reaches 100, I'm going to the zoo and flick the monkeys. Grab a bunch of Tesla shares after the bell. Gonna wait and see if it goes down to 625, and I'll grab some more. How's Tesla looking? Oh my gosh. That is gross. Possible double bob. That pic you posted with your kid. Dang F in the chat. I don't know what that means, but okay, I'll take it. I mean, it looks. I mean, honestly, double bottom kind of going on. My calls in the money expire tomorrow with AMC. When do I sell? One, I cannot tell you when to sell your position, but I will tell you this. Whenever I play call options, and if you come here, you know all I'm talking about is options. You know, maybe I'm a degenerate, maybe I'm smart, maybe, you know, I know what I'm talking about. You'll tell by the length of time you spend here. But I think it's kind of foolish to leave these. I think it's kind of foolish to let them ride all the way out. So like today, personally, on that run, I probably would have got out. I know, I mean, it doesn't help you now, but like tomorrow when we start running, you know, consider, because that volatility is what primes these AMC calls. You know what I mean? So like when we pushed up, my calls at April 1st, the 20s, they were up about like 40%, right? And then when we dumped down, granted, like I got in these calls like down here, like 13 flat. Like we're still up like almost $1, right? But the volatility is what's carrying these as well. Because on these options, it's not really just the price. You're looking at price, you're looking at volatility, you're looking at theta, you're looking at implied volatility and the intrinsic value. Go! Y'all guys are just blessed in the chat today. Much love. Namaste, mis abuelos. Muy caliente es fuegos, mis abuelos. My hot fire grandpas. So, yeah, post-workout energy levels. I don't even know what I did, to be honest. Oh no, Alexander, I don't even, much love. I didn't care. Yeah, time decay, it's tough. So you can't, you have to know, like, so that's the bad mentality of I'll look at Neo here in a sec. It's the bad mentality of diamond hands, bro, diamond hands, right? Because if you're trading options, diamond hands loses you money, especially if you're not taking profits on these moves, right? You know, you got to be smart there. A few stocks you have your eyes on that could run after this Friday. No financial advice, of course. After this Friday. So if I'm looking at anything, the one thing I'm watching, okay, it's going to come back to the Nasdaq. It's going to be, how are the yields doing? If the yields come crashing, burning to the ground, I'm sitting pretty. I'm like, okay, I mean, you know, I might play a little dangerous, you know, who knows? So if I'm looking at the yields and stuff and they're looking negative, like they might come down, then I'm going to look at, I think retail looks really good. I think oil is looking pretty good as well. Tech is iffy. I think all the charts on AMC look really good. I mean, there's not a chart that looks negative, in my opinion, on AMC. I actually don't take pre-workout. William Stedham. Hey, William, I actually just got your email, so you know. I was reading it on my way home, but I want to, like, you know, if I shouldn't text and drive, I feel like I shouldn't email and drive. Oh, Neo. I appreciate all the generosity, all the love tonight, boys. Buenos nachos. Neo. Gosh. The chart looks terrible. I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks terrible. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. I can look at the order flow. I already know that. I thought the flow looked really good. Not today, obviously. Look like poo-poo. Oh, it's mixed. Yeah, puts are outweighing the calls. Man, a dangerous game. I'm telling you though, if we just get a bounce, it's just so give or take, push and pull here. It's dangerous. I'm probably not gonna be buying any calls or anything tomorrow. I'm gonna be sitting pretty conservative tomorrow. Did I see Jordan Belfort's tweet? Yeah, it's the AMC picture, right? I think he's been buying a lot, to be honest. I think that he oh my god. Dang it. God dang it! Ah, that just demonetized me 110,000%. Dang it. Ah. My JD and GPS calls. I know, dude. The JD ones are killing. Dude, I'm telling you, they look so good. Ah. And you know what's even better, or not better, but the depressing part is JD call flow still looks so strong. They keep coming in more and more bullish. They just keep coming in more. Look how much more the consensus is. So for next week too, this might be the one I hold till next week, and I don't want to. Oh my gosh. 19-year-olds in the stock market is 19-year-old in the stock market is stupid fun, but I wish I was taught how to do this in economics. Like, can you look at call options and explain them? What do you mean? Explain. Nick Moran. Oh. I buy 1/7 of AMC share tomorrow. On me. Buy 1/7. What is that, like $2? No, it's Monday. It's tomorrow. All quad witching represents is the end of the quarter, which typically, like, so great for instance of like looking at quad witching, right? Let's look. I'm gonna teach you something real quick. So let's get GPS. We'll look at all week. Okay, perfect. GPS. So you're seeing people extend call options this week on Gap to 618. That represents the end of the next quarter. Quarter numero dos. Quarter number 2, right? It represents the end of quad witching for that date. So what people are doing is they're extending and closing options all throughout the week. That's what the volatility is insane on everything, right? So what they're doing is there's extending, buying, there's maneuvering, and you can see all this on Cheddar Flow. If you look at the flow. So let me look one sec. To expiry. One sec. No, I don't want to see it. It's today. Okay, I did that wrong. See, look, a lot of these are going to 716. Wait. I'm pretty sure, yeah, 618. So there's going to be a lot in 618. You see how many there are in 618? Look at the volume this whole week for 618. That makes up the majority of all the volume you're going to see. Especially on the big orders. These are all very big. 2.6 million on SPY. You see what I mean? So that's what that represents. Is that they're just moving those orders out. That's what quad witching is all about. It's hedge funds. Because how they do it, they typically are moving a lot of stocks set for the end of months. And they're pretty calculated too. Based on news events, earnings, stuff like that. So that's why they do that. One sec, I got a message. So let me answer this guy. So I try to answer all the Discord notifications. I get. Yo, I have a question. Will it be a good tracker price today off the AMC? I have a few over 2022, but I want to load up on some cheaper ones. I don't know how to be crush. My ear. Oh my god. You ever like the inside of your ear just like starts like tickling or itching? Such a strange feeling. Alright, sorry guys. I was answering that quick question. Okay, DX. Oh, look, DXY, it's on the support. Oh, baby, please. We break this support, this 91.83.5. Come on, baby. We're coming down. Blink 182, down. We're coming down. What's up, guys? I'm late to the party. Branding Deladu. It's kind of a late stream. I'm surprised there's 7 people in here. But the goat. What do you mean, goat? I'm sorry. I don't mean to ignore you. What do you mean explain the option to you? What are some targets for AMC in reality? So if I'm looking at AMC tomorrow, right? Looking at AMC. The first thing we're doing, one, the stock looks bullish, right? So let's talk about why it looks bullish in my opinion. One, we had a bear flag. We broke sideways, broke upward out of the bear flag. Bullish, numero uno, right? We're bull flagging. We're breaking out of it on the after hours to 1422. Yeah, 1422. Bullish. If we can hold above 14, I will never sell a one. I actually hate teaching, so that's like, if I tell people when you join the Patreon, it's not like, don't think of it as Tyler is going to teach you how to trade options, because I'm just going to refer you to In the Money on how to understand options. You know what I mean? I even if you would pay me $100 an hour, I would not do it. I hate it. I hate it, right? So that's the thought process there. But yes, I'll make you pay me $400 and eat bagels. So tomorrow we need to hold above 14.5. If we hold above 14.5, I think we could get crazy volume to like $16, $17, honestly. Now, if we would have got that volume today and started moving, we could have hit 20. I was very scared today that we might hit $20. I might bleach my head. I literally, like, I just hate, like, the teaching part of it so much. I cannot stand it. I don't fall asleep until an hour after pre-market. Oof. I like watermelon. I have 3 kids. I'm always up late. Yeah, my son, when I have him, we stay up pretty late, to be honest. I want alcohol, cigarettes, and yikes. Hi, I'm dead inside. Great way to start every video. Hi, I'm dead inside. You're so stuck on bagel, dude. It's the bagels for me. He's like eating. It's like all over his, dude. It's funny because like one thing they teach you, like it's really fun, like in college. Like, one thing they really like instill in your head when you go to university is like and it's true, is like your appearance is like such a big part of you. You know what I mean? Especially in sales. Dan, I appreciate the the dog hairs. You know what? Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. You know what? All this love. I can't believe no one even thought about it. We'll do a few. I'll do a few giveaways for the Patreon. We'll do 1 weekers. We'll do a few 1 weekers, okay? Okay. Okay, so no. I'm gonna do regular members. If you're regular, you get 3 times more luck, okay? Do past 3 minutes. We're gonna do key number, keyword. You already know. Oh, Dan, I'm sorry, Dan. I didn't give you the pound. My bad. Wait, can I give you that re-alert? Let me re-alert that. Sorry, I don't ignore the pound. Alright, so yeah. So, Kyle's in the chat. What we're going to do, the regulars get 3x. All you do is type Kyle in the chat. I'm going to give away some memberships. Some week longers for next week. Do you eat people sandwiches? I don't even know what that means. Where's Kyle? I want to put his name. I want to put his number on there so bad. I want to put his number on the internet so bad. Gosh. God, I want to put his number on the internet. I think Kyle's gonna start a Twitter for us too. He gave up on this other thing. I think he's gonna start our. It's gonna be like a trolling Twitter for me and him for stocks. One sec. You guys ready? 3, 2. Okay. And the winner is boom. Dude, I never know who any of these people are. Kegger Jones. Kegger Jones. Kegger Jones. So, excuse me, sorry. Kegger Jones, you win. I'm gonna put the Discord link in the chat. The Discord link's in the chat. Join it and send me a DM with a screenshot of your name, and you get. I love how everyone says, "Who's Kyle?" Who's Kyle? He's a mythological creature. Trade song says join the Discord, and then send me a DM. One more. Okay, one more. Michael Moy. Oh, you're not subscribed, Michael. Oh, I'm so sorry, Michael. Wow, that hurts. Michael, you don't win because you weren't subscribed. So we're rolling it again. Jay Mills. It says unknown. I don't like when it says unknown. Are you subscribed, Jay? Jay, you there? I don't even see Jay messaging. Oh, yeah, he did. There, he messaged. Right there, he messaged. Jay, so just click on the link, send me a DM, screenshot of your name, and you're good to go. There you go, just join the link. The end. I'll do some more in a little bit, maybe. We'll think about it, possibly. Michael Moy, tough. Michael, hey, send me a. Just join the link and send me a message. I'll give you one too. It's just a week here, And if you're interested, links here. No pressure. Don't care. This is the Discord. Lots of love. Kyle's a turkey and stuffing. Give thanks. I'm surprised Kyle isn't on. To make sure you join and send me a DM. Please do it tonight. I'd appreciate it if you did it tonight. And so what else are we going to talk? Oh my god, the Nasdaq. This hurts. Oh, the Nasdaq. I don't even care. God, it's depressing. Make sure if you subscribe, if you do sub on the Patreon, make sure if you don't get a membership immediately, how you know if you got a membership, your name's glowing red on the right hand side, right? If you aren't glowing red and all you have is the top channels, just send me a DM. Some people wait days. They'll wait forever. I'm like, what are you talking about? You're welcome for the vids. I love making vids. What are we looking at for tomorrow? I'm working from home. So, man, what I'm looking at right now, like I said, you need to be watching the DXY all night long. This is major. Like, if we can break below like 91.834, we have lots of room to go down. Prediction for the AMC tomorrow? How much to cancel, Kyle? Which prediction for AMC tomorrow? It's all about breaking above 14.5. Holding above 14.5 is so big. It's so big. That's the biggest part. Yo, Todd Wilson, what do I have to do with DM you on Twitter? No. So look, I'm gonna post a Discord link one more time. Okay, I'm posting the link. Last time I'm posting the link. You click on the Discord link. You go to Discord. You type in, you'll see my pretty little face in Discord. I have laser beams coming out of my eyes. You click my face. You see me a DM. You say, Tyler, I just won this challenge. I got a free week. And I say, oh, cool. Cool, Michael. Cool, Michael Moy. And I give you permission. And then you see all the information. You get to talk to the boys all day. The end. It's beautiful. It's connection. Call me Chauncey Billups. Because I'm passing dimes and dropping threes, baby. Everyone keeps effing Kyle. After AMC hits 20, where's the problems? I think $26 is the big resistance. Like, that's like a major one. Like, if we break above $20, this thing could soar. I'm talking rocket ship. Your skin falls off because you're going so fast to the freaking moon. Dirty Mike and the boys, is it $10 a week or $10 forever? $10 a week? What are you talking about? It's a month. It's a monthly month. It's a monthly month. I was gonna say, but I think it resets. The way Patreon works is it resets on the month. So like, let's say you pay in the middle of the month. I'm pretty sure it resets for March 1st. I need to look into it. But I think they tell you like when you pay for it. So I've talked to the workers. Like, their support is garbage. They have some of the worst support ever. You wait 2 days to get a response. Gosh. And they make it so easy. Like, if you come over here to go to income and you can go to do refunds, let me tell you something. The refund process is not easy at all. Someone thought I was trying to keep $9 one time. I was like, oh yeah, I'm dying to have your $9. I can buy my Subway meal. Yeah, I saw the Wolf of Wall Streety. Yep, Jordan Belfort. I'm not going to his Twitter again because his most recent picture is a naked person. Pretty sure he demonetized me. Gosh. Hey bro, do I like Justin Bieber? It's a cute guy. No homo. Can AMC do a reversal and go back to $5? Anything is possible. Support worse than your elite banking support. You find Zelda, bro? I don't know what that means. Gosh, Nasdaq. Look at the IWM. Ugh. Disgusting. Oh, the Nike. Look at the Nike. That is disgusting. It's my honest opinion on GameStop. What do you mean? Like long term, short term? What do you mean? Short term, I think looks really good. 1, 2, 3. Great touches there. Clean SR flip. I think it looks really good. I'd be very surprised if it dumps straight down. I'd be extremely surprised. I think it looks really good. I think it's totally possible to run at 280. Good night, Chad. Have a good one, man. I'm probably about to hop off in a few minutes, so. Dude, my freaking toes, though. Killing me. How much do I have in stocks? JNS Trucking Inc. It's a little personal. Okay? I already share all my AMC positions with you. What else do you want from me? I'm out here doing $1,000 a day throwing them in here. And you're getting me. Kyle buys the rips and sells the dips. Didn't your mama ever teach you about boundaries, boy? Didn't your mama teach you about boundaries? But in no way, I'm very transparent to the fact that I'm not extremely loaded or anything like that. I mean, you guys have to understand. I mean, I hate talking about, you know, you know, the past year and stuff like that. It's just I hate repeating myself. It's not about like talking about it that bothers me. I hate repeating myself. Part of the reason why I'm not in a relationship, but I'm not rich in any way, like shape or form. I'm doing okay. I'm doing no complaints whatsoever. I'm comfortable, but there's in no way, shape, or form am I rich. Do I have, you know, I'm not extremely loaded or anything like that. Like I had to liquidate my account, you know, middle of the year for some legal stuff like that. But I have student loans, student debt. I mean, it sucks. Situation is what it is. But you know, have a kid when you're 19, and what do you expect? Do you have more money in your stocks than Uncle Bruce? Well, Uncle Bruce got some nerfing. Jeff Hennick is my best friend. So Robinhood says they don't deal with CFDs, which is credit default swaps, which is, it's hard to explain that. Tyler, do you like Houston? I live in Austin, very liberal. What is it like over there? It's less liberal than, it's totally different than Austin in my opinion. Kyle Lear, I'm pleased to hear. I aim to please. You're 22, I'm 23. Oh no, I like to just clarify that. I mean, well, I like to be transparent with people too. I don't want to be a channel that's all about, yeah, I'm rich and make billions of dollars off of stonks, you know? I have no idea, and I can't really speak on the Robinhood stuff because I don't know factually what the situation is, you know what I mean? And I don't like to talk about stuff if I can't give you a good, solid answer. I don't like to guess on situations either. You know what I mean? What's up, Moki Moke? What's your favorite app to buy and sell options? I use E-Trade. But I think TD Ameritrade has to be the best. I would assume. It's gotta be. You're trading your only job. Trading and YouTube. Correct. Rich is relative. I'm 43. I mean, I feel great. I mean, I don't really, like I said, that's not like, I don't really like even care to make a crap. I mean, like, is making money cool? Yes. But like, I'm happy. I'm really happy with where I'm at right now. I mean, I'd be fine. Like, if I graduated college and this is what I did right now, I'd be fine with the money I'm making. I'm happy. So Tyler, when do we get to see your Lambo pickies? Ooh, damn life. At least we're seeing more organic growth. Yeah, I know. It's just slow organic growth on the channel. Rich, not equal to wealthy. Dude, stop typing tee-hee. That crap is the weirdest thing ever. I appreciate that you don't keep fishing for likes and subscribes that often, man. That's all that trade. I don't really think. I don't like to talk about other people unless they talk about me. Now, if they comment about me, I'm gonna make a comment back, or unless they are lying and manipulating and I think they're a scammer, then I'll speak up on it. Cause I think you have a job to. I'm definitely talking about AMC. Yeah, I mean, it's seeing really good growth. And typically when we see this, you know, slow, gradual gains, I mean, we keep seeing it, right? We'll have that, you know, that downtrend, a little bit of upward push, and boom. I'm projecting tomorrow we see a push. I want to see like a $17 push. I think it's possible. Only $3. I think it's totally possible. Yeah, I think you have to ask for likes and subs. You know what I mean? I mean, I do a poor job at asking for likes and subs. I just feel awkward. I I don't like asking for likes and subs. Like I added in my videos, but it's like, do I ask on here? Not really. So, but I mean, yeah, like I think like even Trey, like in his channel, he doesn't even like people giving him money. Like it's kind of like, wow, cool. It's kind of crazy. Talk about Snap. My biggest regret was buying one measly stock at yeah. I think the company's run really bad, Snap, personally, because I think they have so much room to be profitable. But I think all socials, really grew in influence. Pinterest, Snap, Etsy's kind of. They all just really grew. I like 57 for support. Oh, Michael Moy. Boomhawk. Now you're rich. Now I'm broke. Put all my money in AMC because I'm a joke. Am I more excited about AMC or the NBA Top Shot drop? I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited for the NBA Top Shot, but I feel like I'm not gonna get this one. One sec. Let me look at this really quick. JNS Trucking, much love. Much love. One sec. Appreciate it, my trucking friend. I'm gonna go to. What was I gonna look at? Oh, I haven't looked at this lately. I mean, it's totally manipulated, so it's like I don't even. Yeah, this is a joke. It's like it pisses me off to even look at. Look at all that volume. Oh my god, it pisses me off. This is disgusting. To even look at this, like hurts my head to look at. I don't even want to look at that. I don't look at it. What's the down on AMC just got here? I think we look really good. I think we're going to see a strong movement at open tomorrow. I mean, I'm heavily reliant on yields. I mean, we're coming down too. Like, we do look pretty bad on DXY. Want yields and DXY to do bad tomorrow. They look terrible. So we're looking positive. Hopefully London can start pushing us up a little bit. We can mount the support. And then, when market opens, we start getting that poppy pop. Blockchain just around the corner, exposing true potential. Okay, so there was rumors about Funko Pop. So we know what Funko Pop is. You know what they are, first of all. I might actually get a peel box just for Funko Pops. Not gonna lie. So everyone's seen these, right? You've all seen them. So what they're gonna do, this is cool. What they're doing. What they're doing is cool. So they're going to be implementing Funko Pops, but NFTs with each pop. That is extremely, extremely cool. I believe that's what they're doing, how they're going to work around it. That is extremely cool. I could see these getting crazy. Now, they did end up rising pretty wild. Their earnings are really good. That's probably one of the coolest things about them. I swear to God, if I get some crazy dildos and stuff, I'm going to snap on stream. I think Quad Witching Day does good. Looks like a bobblehead. You're not supposed to take them out of the box. You're supposed to leave them in the box. Unless you like, I don't know. But I wish there was a way I could, if like you guys sent them in, that I could like write like who it was from on it. So like, there's a way to represent everyone. Well, you would know. But like maybe you wanted like a shout out for having it, which I would want to give you a shout out. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. But Funkos are cool. Some of them are cool. London, Frankfurt, either way. EU, I count them all the same, to be honest. Zkin was another play. I didn't trade them today. What did they do? They go up. They did go up. They popped immediately at open. I thought they would. God, it's depressing. They went literally straight up in the morning. What time is the push? What do you mean? Probably at open. I would assume we get a nice little push at open. I think, for once, I think Kyle's actually right too. That NFTs are kind of just the start, to be honest, because we're kind of seeing that like there's all this potential and there's like this whole new area for non-counterfeit content. You know what I mean? And it's really changing the game. It really is when you think about it that way. But the question is like, how do you invest in it the best way? Because like there's no real pure blockchain companies. You know, it's kind of just like watching, looking. And then when it comes out, being the first to get in on it, like NBA, the guys who got an NBA Top Shot, the first people are like they're millionaires now, right? So, yeah. You use stop loss sales? I don't. I don't use stop losses. But I'm watching my charts all the time. You know what I mean? So. Thought you should really check out Argo blockchain. What is Argo? I would have to do, you know, due diligence on them. But is this them? What is them? What are they? Blockchain. It's an OTC. Oof. I'd have to really do some research on them. TCAT. I'm not touching TCAT. No way. I can't do it. I don't get the stones. I think Kyle's talking a little bit crazy, but honestly, he actually has a point. Off top, Scarlett Johansson's hot. She is hot. She's pretty hot. Like scale 1 to 10, 9.67. I'm all in holding. You're hodling. You're hodling. You heard literally. You invest in NFTs like people purchased Pokemon years ago. Surprised amount of, I know. Surprised amount of sleep either. I'm about to get off. I'm actually about to get off. Only 6 shares, nothing huge. Look at the chart and short shares, borrow fee, and just let me know what you think. What are you talking about? JT? TCAT? No, I can't do it, man. I can't. Wolf? I don't know what Wolf said. Alright guys, I'm gonna hop off. I'll be live tomorrow morning, 8:15 again. Those are tough. Those are tough to get live on. But I'll be live at 8:15 a.m. You got the Discord link. I posted it in the chat somewhere so you can find it.